What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
See some love, it's love day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
So today, I got a special product for you. It was sent to me by Mangotek, and it's special because I'm really still trying to find that perfect 3-in-1 charging station for my iPhone, my Apple Watch, and my Airpods. And I believe Mangotek has found something. They sent this to me and it says it's a 3-in-1 charging station, but really it's a 4-in-1 charging station. I'll get to that in a little bit, but this is the 3-in-1 Mangotek charging station, mainly for Apple, but I think that you could put some other devices on here from other companies, but we'll get into that. And if you look over, I got my 3-in-1 right here. Let me go ahead and bring this to the front so later on in the video I can show you the differences and why I think this one just kills that one. This is my current 3-in-1 charging station from B-Stand, and you know what the problem is? Cable management. There's still 3 cables that run off the back of this, and when I made this video, YouTube card right here, I was wondering if there was a company out there that could actually incorporate the Apple charger and all the other cables into one so that I didn't have to worry about this cable management. Because I don't know if you see my office behind me, it looks nice on camera, but if I brought this camera and showed you my cable management in my office is horrible, which I'm constantly working on. But before we get into all that, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. This 3-in-1 charging station is available on Amazon right now for $99. All links will be in the description down below as usual. I'll put the link into the Amazon store, also their main Mangotek store as well. So going around this box, features: charging station for iPhone and Apple Watch, input direct current 12 volts, 3 amps, Qi wireless output 10 watts for Samsung, 7.5 watts for iPhone, USB-A. Yes, there's a USB-A port on here, so that's why it's a 4-in-1. The USB-A port charges at 5 volts, 1 amp, lightning out 5 volts, 2.1 amp. It's made for all Apple Watch series, all iPhones that can wirelessly charge. And that's pretty much it for the outside of the box. Now what you get on the inside of the box, you have a user manual, you have your charging brick, and then you have the 3-in-1 Mango stand itself wrapped in plastic. And that is all that you get inside this. So let me go ahead and set this up and show you exactly why I believe that this charging station is just a lot better than the current B-Stand charging station that I have. Before I hook this all up, let me quickly go around this stand. On the front, you do have the Mangotek logo. You have this lightning port sticking out that charges either, you can put your phone on this side, you can put some AirPods on this side, anything that charges with the lightning cable for Apple, you can stick on this port right here. Apple controller, whatever. On the right side, you have the flat pad right here, and this is where you'll charge your cell phone or any Qi enabled device. On this side, you also have this built-in, yes, I said built-in Apple Watch charger, and it actually detaches from the base. I don't know, maybe it's just more convenient for when you travel, or if you don't want to use it at all. I don't know why they made it like this, but I think maybe it's just for traveling so you can detach it and that it'll just be able to be packed up a little bit better. But either way, I don't think I'll ever see myself detaching that, but if you want to do that for some reason, then you can. You also have some vents on the bottom side, and then you have 6 non-slip feet as well. And on the back side, you have your USB type A port and your DC in as well. So that's why I said it's a 4-in-1. You have your Qi charging area right here. You have a lightning charging area right here. You have an Apple Watch charging area right here. And you can also use any USB to USB mini, whatever you want to use additionally on the backside to charge a 4th device. So yes, this can charge 4 devices in one. And one more thing, you do have an LED indicator right here. So now that I went around this product, I showed you everything, I talked about everything about this product. Let me go ahead and put some power to it, put some devices on it so that I can show you exactly how I will set this up. So there you go. I don't know if you can see it. The LED indicator right here, breathing red. So that means it's charging. the Qi area is charging. When it's blue, that means it's full of charge. My watch is charging, and if I flip my case up on my AirPods, that's charging too as well. But I was thinking, what I like about this B stand is that my wireless charging port is at an angle, so when I'm sitting on my desk, I can see it. Now, you can do that with this one, and you can move your phone over to this charging port right here, but you can't have a case on it. So if you have a skin from D brand or some other place, you have a skin on here, you can put your phone right here, but then you won't be able to see your watch. I don't know if that's important to you, but you can charge that right here. But let me see something. So I have the Samsung Galaxy Buds right here, and I also have the Raycon X90s. Both of these wirelessly charge. So let me see if I could set these on top and they will charge. There you go. So this is charging. I don't know if you can see that red light. This is not just for Apple products. So I have my iPhone right here. I might be moving to a deep brand so I can just use it standing up, and then I can charge whatever headphones that I'm using at the time. These are the version 2s with the wireless charging case. Maybe down the road I'll get that and use that, but the AirPods aren't my daily drivers anyway. So you can either have it set up like this. You can charge your phone right here, your Apple Watch in the back. You can move your AirPods if you have version 2s with the wireless charging capability over here, or any other earbuds that have wireless charging capability over here. You can set it up like that, or if you don't, you can move your phone back to the charging pad and have your AirPods charging like this. Now, for right now, this is how my setup will be, simply because I do have a case. I don't have a D brand skin right now, so I'll be using this setup. But I'm just showing you that there are multiple ways to charge it. And hold on, one more thing. And so like I mentioned before, there is a USB-A port on the back, so I can charge some more headphones or whatever I want to charge on the back side. So this is charging 4 devices at once. 2 cables, 4 devices, as opposed to this B stand, 3 cables, horrible cable management, in my opinion. Stand's great, I just don't like the cable management. Or if you don't want to use that second cable, 1 cable, 3 items, and cable management is just that much easier. And that's the reason why I'll be switching to this Mangotek 3-in-1, 4-in-1 charging station, as opposed to this B stand. I might move that B stand upstairs. I don't know, give it to my wife. She really doesn't care about cable management like I do. So all in all, with this 3-in-1, 4-in-1 charging station, it is different than the B stand station, simply because it has 1 cable that comes off the backside to charge 3 devices. It's not perfect. I wish that there was, like, this part right here was at an angle, or if like some stand popped up so that my phone would sit at an angle like this, because yes, I am used to the B stand version of my phone sitting at an angle and I can just glance over and look at it instead of looking down with my phone sitting flat like this. But I am willing to make the change so that I can have better cable management. So that's why I'm making a switch. This one's not perfect. The B stand's not perfect. Maybe they can come together, or another company will come out with something, or maybe even Mangotek, if you're listening, come out with something, make this stand just how this one is, but then also maybe make a version that the consumer can have their phone sitting up like this and get charged at the same time at like a 45-degree angle or something, so that people don't have to be looking down at the charger to get a notification. And also, with that being said, if it's sitting like that, we can charge our phone horizontally as well, so that we can watch a movie while it's charging, or watch a TV show while it's charging and we're doing something at our desk. I don't know, those are just my opinions. But as it is right now, I will be switching over to this 3-in-1 charging station, just because of the cable management. I like that a lot better. And for right now, I think that me setting my phone on this Qi pad right here, I'm fine with it. I'm doing just fine with it. I'm not complaining. And that's it. Forgot to film this part. That's why you see different angle, different lighting. But I just wanted to give you this short, quick video on this Mangotek 3-in-1 charging station, which I will be switching to as my new 3-in-1 charging station. Shout out to Mangotek for sending this over to me, doing this product review. I really appreciate that. If this is your first time here, go ahead and smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. As always, thanks for watching the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.